Mabuhay! My name is Eliza Kate Livergasa from Hospitality Management. Multicultural diversity, the presence of people from different cultures, ethnicities, genders, ages, sexual orientations, and beliefs of working collaboratively. Benefits: diverse viewpoints lead to more unique ideas and solutions, understanding global markets and customs. Challenges: differences in language, norms, and communication style can arise. Diverse teams bring a wealth of knowledge and experiences, resulting in innovative solutions and a broader range of ideas. Examples of multiculturalism in the Philippines include over 180 languages, including Tagalog, Cebuano, Ilocano, and indigenous tongues. Also, colonial influences like Americans, fast food, pop culture like basketball, and English languages. These elements combined make the Philippines a classic example of a nation with a deep. Thank you.